The MVS portable sawmill is a unique sawing machine for the full range of high-quality sawn timber production, suitable for hobbyists, carpenters, woodworkers or craftsmen. Its modular construction and components make it easy to transport and assemble in timber stores, construction sites, gardens, farms, forests and backyards. The options are endless. Setting up the whole machine takes less than 15 minutes. The standard set includes 3 tracks. Each track is 2 meters long, which means the basic set of MVS sawmill is large enough to deal with a 6-meter log. For those who need to extend the length of the track, we produce supplementary modules to reach any desired length of timber. You can use an unlimited number in line. Both round and square logs are easy to fix in place, and for easy setting of timber thickness, the sawmill comes with a graduated scale. Because of its light weight and small size, the MVS portable sawmill is very easy to store or ship to any place in the world.